Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just something different. Usually I review a lot of stuff, and I just thought I'd show you something different in regards to some of the things that I do at home. Um, these are 3D printers. At the minute I've got two prints going there on my PLA printers. This here is going to be Groot. Customer order that someone's ordered off my page. These are some of the finished projects that I've just recently done. I'm constantly having to keep the printers running due to orders and things. People want weird and wacky things, things there that go inside machines. Same with this. This is basically a bit of kit that goes inside a machine that somebody wants that they can't get hold of. I've done battery covers, all kinds of things really. But not only that, when it comes to things that need to be perfect in the way they look, so take this for example, the figurines, they're done on a resin printer that I have. I could do them on this, but they're not as great. You do see some lines when you do them on these kind of printers. So I do have a resin printer as well, which is currently in print mode. It's printing a Resident Evil raccoon badge that somebody wants for cosplay. So yeah, I literally do all kinds of stuff on these printers. Absolutely love it, and it's kind of a hobby turned into a little bit of a web page for selling and things like that. But yeah, anything that I can do, I will do it. I'll give it a shot. But this is one of my favourite printers at the minute, the Elegoo Saturn. And with this, like I say, I can print quite a big volume, and I can also print extreme details that I need for, say, like with the badge that's printing at the minute. It tells you how long it's going to take. But yeah, same with these. Tells you how long they take. You can change all the options, like the temperatures for the heat bed, and also for the print needle. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to quickly show you. I'm going to show you more stuff that I do. So when I do new prints and stuff like that, I think I'm going to take a video. People have been asking because I think they find it quite cool to do. So obviously I'm going to do that and show you a little bit of how I get them printed on software, stuff like that, right size, all kinds of technical stuff. I'll probably have a little walkthrough just to help show you what I do. Apart from that, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of the future stuff. Obviously there'll be more reviews coming, but obviously I'm going to be doing this as well, so I thought I might as well, if I'm doing it anyway, I may as well show you how cool it is. As you can see there, it's slowly taking shape. Right then guys, thank you so much for watching, until next time, thank you, bye bye.